Japanese news media has reported that Japan is planning to export its Unicorn system to India, which are also equipped on the newly commissioned Mogami-class frigate of the Japan Maritime Self-Defense Force. Japan and India agreed to cooperate on the transfer of the Unicorn system when foreign and defense ministers of both sides met in Tokyo in September. The Unicorn, also known as the United Combined Radio Antenna Integrated Mast, features a bar-shaped dome that houses numerous stealth antennas for tactical data links, tactical air navigation system, communications suites, electronic support measures, electronic warfare and electronics intelligence suites. By covering the stealth antennas in one structure, the Unicorn system reduces the radar cross-section, which reduces the reflection of enemy radio waves, thus making it stealthy. India's Saras Aerospace has released a picture of an unmanned combat aerial vehicle that will be showcased at Defects Expo 2022 next week. The high-altitude long-endurance drone has been indigenously researched and designed by the company in India that features a conventional mid-wing design and will weigh around 5 tons and can carry over 1 ton of payload on its 8 hardpoints. That includes laser-guided munitions and lightweight micro-munitions. It will be powered by 2 turboprop engines, and the winglets will increase its operating efficiency by reducing the induced drag at the tips of the wings, while the electro-optical pod is placed under the belly. Saras Aerospace has said that it can be equipped with electronic support and countermeasure systems, dual satellite communication systems, air-to-air radar, collision avoidance radar, and advanced synthetic aperture radar. Korean news media has reported that major defects have been found on all 9 KSS-2 submarines of the South Korean Navy, which are modified versions of the German Type 214. Functional defects were found in the inverter module's cables, which are a critical component in a submarine's propulsion system, that were manufactured by German firm Siemens, which had resulted in numerous incidents in the past few years. South Korea and Germany are the 2 contenders in Indian Navy's Project 75I, under which South Korea has offered the KSS-3 design, that are based on the German Type 214, while German firm Desencrypt Marine Systems has offered Type 212 CD submarine to India. Prime Minister Modi will lay the foundation stone for a new airbase in Deesa, Gujarat during the Defects Expo 2022. Around 4,500 acres land has been allocated for setting up the airbase that will be established by 2024. The airbase will be a strategic location for the Southwestern Air Command, as it will be situated 130 kilometers from the India-Pakistan border, and this proximity will help reduce the aerial distance in Indian air defense along the western border, and will expand the operating range of the Indian fighter jets. The Saras Mark II aircraft program, being developed by National Aerospace Laboratories, has now entered the critical design stage, as an open-air engine testbed and real-time flight simulator has been set up at its facility for testing of various systems and subsystems. The rollout of the Saras Mark II version is planned for 2024. German firm Mototok has delivered its next-generation electrically powered towing tugs for product demonstration on board Indian Navy's INS Vikrant aircraft carrier, and it is currently being tested by moving MiG-29K fighter jets to its position by remotely controlled operator. The Mototok LB series towing tugs can move aircraft weighing 50 tons and features full electric drive, radio remotely controlled operation using only one operator that can park aircraft in congested spaces. India has been using conventional tow tractors with tow bars on its INS Vikrant that needs more space for extensive maneuvering and requires 3-man crew for operation.